I thought I'd add this little short video and quickly show you how to view your data using the HTML tables and HTML feeds. I know I've shown it through other videos, but I thought I'd just make a quick little one here. And when you have your data inside the product search or the shop search or the shop analyzer, what you can do at the very bottom, you're going to see preview. So you can preview the actual items in a table view. So if you click there, you can see it in a nice table view. Now it's taking a bit to download because there was actually 992 products there. So that was quite a bit. Let that finish there. There it is. And now you can do things like sort. You can just browse your mouse over top of the images and see the larger versions of them. You can also search as you type. So that's pretty cool. And you can see all the data that you can get inside the software in here as well. The other report type you can view is the feed format. Now I know there's a lot in here, so I'm going to try something here. Let's do, I only want to look at the ones that have a rating of greater than 4.8. Well, there's quite a bit. How about something else here? That's hearts greater than 500. How about 300? 100. There we go. So we come up with 73. Now let's look at the feed. Now we can sort and view the products in a whole different view. This is kind of like Pinterest style or Facebook, I guess, but you can see all the information in here and it tells you whether or not it's a bestseller and a few other different things. It's pretty awesome. So you can see the ratings, the price, shop sales, reviews, hearts, how many are in basket. Just a different way of viewing it very quickly. Of course, all the links are active. You click on it, you go to the shirt page and go to the shop. And you can sort by clicking these buttons up here, by the hearts, by the price, the rating, how many in basket. You can also do real-time searching as well. And it also highlights the word for you. So that's a nice little report. And you can also do it, like I said, for the shop search as well. So you can see in the shop, see all the shop images inside of a feed as well. And of course you can do it in the shop analyzer as well. So that's just two really powerful ways to view all the images stuff within a nice report. You also have the option to click the show images button up here, which will show images for each of the different tools as well. So you can view the images within the grid. But again, this sort of depends a bit on your internet connection. If it's have a little bit of problems or something like that, it might have a few hiccups. But you always have the other options to preview the items in the HTML table or feed.